What is financial advice that you would give your younger self?
Shit. Bought a house much earlier. Studied how to trade using more quantitative analysis a whole lot earlier. I don't know, there's a lot, man. I'm gonna sit here and rant, and like rant for hours on the things I would do different. It's very easy. But it's not that simple. It's not one thing, it's all sorts of things.
What's the biggest thing?
There isn't one, it's not everything. It all depends when.
25 years ago. Right out of college.
I would say that one of the things that should have done a lot earlier was, really focused when I was like really young to go buy real estate, buy my own house. Simple. Make sacrifices.
But you bought your first house young, in my opinion. In my book, I
No,
consider that young.
but I could have done it a lot younger. Be much more aggressive about it instead of, when you're young, you're more worried about getting a nice place to stay versus owning something and downgrading. So that mentality, I think, was the problem, because real estate's finite, and when you build equity young, it opens up a lot of more financial doors for you as you get older, regardless of, how else you handle your other finances. I think I would say is, at a younger age, in general, people should think more about building longer term wealth than they are the immediate things around them, buying a nice car or getting a nicer place to rent or going on vacations, putting, money on a credit card for things that don't generate you a return. I think it would have been a lot more frugal to build longer term wealth. Should have thought that way.